today, you're going to have to cross over Telegraph to continue on Telegraph, or you can go on to 8 Mile. Matt Hickman is the assistant contractor engineer for MDOT. He says that the Diversion Diamond Interchange is safe, and it is ready to go, even though it's a little tricky.
Yes, we have 2 lanes open, 2 lanes closed, as was the case during most of the last 2 construction seasons. The difference today is we actually have a soft opening of the interchange, where we're actually crossing you over from your main bound to the opposing bound of traffic through the interchange here. So we only have a couple minor work items to finish up with, and we'll be opening this whole area to 4 lanes in each direction permanently.
So that's a little bit of engineer talk for slow down and be careful if you're going on Telegraph near 8 Mile. Charlie Langton, WWJ News Radio.